It means a lot of different things to different people. For us, it's the music, it's the beat, it's the rhythm, it's the tune to which our life moves. That's our hustle. Hi, I'm Ashwin.
And I'm Achyut.
And we're here to kickstart the countdown to the launch of the all-new Volkswagen Taigun.
You know, there's never been a car launch like this before, where every night you get to experience a unique light and sound show. Welcome to Taigun Spotlight.
And tonight, on the Spotlight is when Chai met toast. We are here to kickstart something that we've planned, but before that, let us show you what we have here. After 6 months of relentless planning and 144 hours of ground production, the ground has been transformed into a phenomenal light and sound installation. So get ready for a first-of-its-kind light and sound show. But wait, to top it all, hidden inside the show is a hustle code for the day. Crack the code and get ready to win amazing prizes and gifts, including the all-new Volkswagen Taigun.
start to this 4-day event celebrating the hustle.
You know, we keep telling each other we love the hustle, thrive on the workload, and as individuals, believe in learning and growing together throughout our journey.
Which is why for our set tonight, we've not only chosen your favorite songs, we've also created a special anthem inspired by the hustle philosophy of the Volkswagen Taigun.
Also, every time we get on stage, we make sure we give the audience one hell of an experience. I hope you guys enjoy the evening and our performance. This one's called Firefly.
Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing our shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as life, passing streetlights and starry moonlights and days grow longer and nights grow shorter as life, passing streetlights and starry moonlights and hey, 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 hey. There I see, I feel no sorrow. चले निकले कुछ की तरह. There I see, I feel no sorrow. चले निकले कुछ की तरह. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all the shadows. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all the shadows. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all the shadows. Like a firefly up in the night, alive and bright, chasing all the shadows. Hey, 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 hey,
Thank you. This next one talks about eternal love. This one's the title track of our first full-length album. This one's called When We Feel Young.
I found you passing by in cold December. Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze I remember. into the night. I feel alive at 59 when we feel young. I found us reminiscing our days together. Found our names written in the stars forever. Looking back at all that we've been through, a fairy tale come true. I'm there for you. Looking up above into the sky, everything just seems so fine. This is our time into the night. I feel alive at 59 when we feel young. Into the night, I feel alive. This is the time when we feel young. Body so many get ready. झूमे नाचे यहाँ ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई है ये अपनी दास्तां बारिशों में भीगे हुए हम झूमे नाचे यहाँ ख्वाहिशें मेरी पूरी हुई है ये अपनी दास्तां.
This next one is the Volkswagen Hustle Anthem. Are you ready to jump?
Feeling the moment, chasing my wildest dreams tonight. Finding my way through, I know that I won't give up this time. Maybe I can fly. Hustle all my life. Fire in my eyes. Hustle every time. Oh
Your messages mean a lot to us, so hope you enjoyed the performance. Please feel free to reach us through the comments and let us know what you thought.
Also, don't go. Wait, did you spot the hustle code in the light show today? If you did, quickly log on to www.volkswagen.co.in and solve it. You could be one of the lucky winners to win some amazing cool hustle kits and the unbelievable grand prize of the Volkswagen Taigun itself.
Join us tomorrow on the Taigun Spotlight for a mind-blowing fusion electronica performance that's going to push the boundaries of music.
Tick, tick, tick. The countdown has begun for the launch of the all-new Volkswagen Taigun. Hope you guys have a great night and keep the hustle mode on.